to more bowling, everybody. Part two. This time we got more people. What's up, buddy?
Welcome, everyone. Welcome to bowling.
Hey, we got a new person. Hey, Donnie just bowled his first one. This is the intro, by the way. That was really shit.
I know. Aw, the cute little 8-pounder. He goes for the shot. I have a voice crack. He's really bad at aiming.
I'm really bad at this shit. Oh, that's an 8? The fingers are smaller.
Yeah, bro, it literally has the small.
What the fuck?
That bumper came in clutch. How do you feel?
Amazing. This place is sick as fuck.
All right, Bubby, you're up.
Don't call me Bubby. Now what you're supposed to be calling me is Gibby.
Damn. That's a gutter ball, bitch.
I thought I had bumpers.
No. Going for the short shot. Oh, is he gonna get it? Hell yeah. We're gonna call you Colin. We're gonna do a run-up shot. That's how we do it over here.
I'm ass at this, so fuck it.
So are we.
Damn. Go to your home.
What kind of ball are you using?
10-pound extra large.
Damn, you strong as fuck. There's your ball.
God damn it.
Damn. It's Mr. Donnie's turn, isn't it? It's Mr. Donnie's turn. You're gonna knock this camera?
Oh, God.
Good job. Oh, almost got the spare.
It's called highway robbery, and it just happened to me. Up next is the 8-pound legend. The pins are set. What will he do? Ba-da-da-da-da-da-da-da. Holy shit, it almost went straight.
I'm really bad at my balance.
I'm taking your bumpers off.
Why are you taking my bumpers off?
Because you just did a straight ball.
You can't do that.
Everyone on the YouTube saw it. Do it again.
This is 12 pounds.
That's 10.
Thank God that the brothers on the rise now. Endless celebrations all in my house. Levitating.
Wait a second, your name is actually Bubby on the score.
Hey,
No,
Bubby.
it's not.
Look at it!
Yeah, you're known for Bubby for the rest.
I hate all of you.
Come on, Bubby. Damn, nice. Come on, it's still your turn.
Hey, Bubby. Bubby, go for it. Ball.
Bitch.
It's still your turn.
I know.
Bold.
Give me a second.
You know what? We're going for you.
No, give me that. No. Don't you dare, Blue. You know you suck. I trust you.
Do you trust me?
Just this once.
Okay. Yeah! Bring it in.
I love your ball.
Hey, I'll let you get one on my turn.
Wow, hold on.
Oh wait, he's going. Why didn't we get that on camera?
I'm sorry.
Hey, wait, what kind of stuff you got on? What the fuck?
It's all for the tube.
Gotta watch.
Damn!
Now. Endless celebrations all in my house.
Oh, really light throw there. Damn. Here we go.
Round 2. Wait. Shit, I can't count. This is round 3.
This is round 3, mate. Holy shit, 9 pins. 9 pins, how do you feel?
I am angry.
Let's get another shot.
I swear to God, that last one's always glued down.
Oh yeah, it always is. Oh man, so close.
Stinky poo-poo.
We're going with the 10-pound extra fucking large.
What does that say about you? What are you trying to compensate for?
I got big hands.
You just lost your bumper privileges.
Okay. Are you able to take them off? Oh shit, they just went down.
Now you're playing real ball.
If this doesn't go in the gutter, if this goes in the gutter, I'm throwing this at your fucking dick. Okay. Okay. I guess we're good. Gotta get this. Oh, that's straight. His father said, Mom, spaghetti. Come on, you got this. Damn! What the?
It is beyond over. I just found a large 8. We're gonna see another gutter?
I don't know. One pin. Hey, that's respectable. He just turned bumpers on for you.
And now you bowl straight.
Wow.
Where the hell did that come from? I don't know.
You don't know?
I don't know. It's over.
Short shot? What the fuck?
Illegal fire.
Did you just knock that other ball out?
And across the field too.
Oh my god. Andy almost got the spare.
Yeah. That is most definitely.
Almost.
That is most definitely a YouTube clip.
Oh yeah.
If I've ever seen it. All right, Dominic's coming up with an 8-pounder. I lost my large 8-pounder. There he goes. And it's a miss, like usual.
You know, fuck it. Oh, my thumb. Ow, fuck.
Mate, you just got nay-nayed by yourself. How nice of you to finally bowl in a straight line. I told... do you agree with me?
Yeah.
Are they glued down?
Oh, yeah. What the fuck was that?
Bullshit. Oh, it's rolling back. It's rolling back.
Come on. Come on. We can get it. We can get it.
All right, Bubby. Yeah, I know. It's a Hogwarts ball. Get used to it. Go on. Hit that ball. And the first strike of today goes to King. Mr. Colin.
I hope
Why does everybody bowl normally when I put the bumpers up for them?
It still kind of sucks, though, I'm not gonna lie.
Wow, nice split.
Huh?
Nice split. What are you gonna do about it? Hole in one!
Bad, bro.
Hole in one. Hold this.
Somebody's getting that ball out of 11.
Oh, are they?
Yeah.
Thank God that the brothers on the rise now.